Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I'm with Glade and his 1947 Pontiac Torpedo. And Glade, can you tell us about your car?
Well, this is my first car. I've owned it since I've been 15 and a half years old. Started out, my uncle bought it off a used car lot, actually. And then my older brother bought it off of him. Then I bought it off my brother, and I've been driving it 61 years.
Holy cow. And do you know what your uncle paid for it by chance?
No, I do not know that. But
What'd your brother pay?
I think he paid $100 for it. And my brother took me a little bit. I charged me a little bit more.
Yes.
So yeah, I had to pay over $100 for it. But it's got the flathead straight 8 motor in it.
Yeah, that's what caught my eye.
And still has the 6-volt system in it. Then on the firewall back there is the electric hydraulic convertible top motor.
This here?
Yes.
Okay, and this is your horn.
That's my horn, yep.
And was this or still is an oil bath?
No, that is not oil bath. It's just a regular filter on the top of it.
It never was an oil bath?
Never was.
Oh,
no,
okay.
No, not on this one.
Yes.
Pontiac did have oil bath, but,
yes.
but this one here was not oil bath.
Yeah, I knew GM did.
Yep.
And so 61 years ago, that would make it, what, 1965?
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So it's my wife and I dated in high school in it.
Holy cow.
And we have 3 children, and they grew up in this automobile.
Yeah.
And it's been in 2 of my 3 children's weddings.
Okay.
My daughter and 1 son. Then also it been in quite a few parades, that type of stuff. And we have just a lot of fun with it. We drive it, and we just go do a lot of ice cream shopping, so to speak.
I bet, yeah.
Yep, ice cream store. So. Yep.
This is quite a car.
Well, thank you very much for that.
And
appreciate it.
I know Harley Earl was with GM back in the 50s. Was he in with General Motors? Do you know who designed this car by chance?
No, I do not know that.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful car.
Thank you.
And the dash is so, back then they put a lot of chrome in their dash.
Yes, yep.
And you got the original radio and then an aftermarket underneath.
Yes, the original radio is tube type.
Yes.
And the tubes can't get any longer, so.
Yeah.
But it's a AM radio, even.
Okay, yeah,
so,
yeah. And I noticed that your other aftermarket is a AM radio as well.
Yes, yep. So.
And is it a 3-speed?
There's 3-speed on the column.
Yeah.
It has the original side panels on the doors, our original side panels.
Okay.
And the back. They're not perfect, but
well,
almost 80 years old, so what do you expect,
Yes.
That is the original back seat back there.
Wow.
So that's the only part of the original interior on the seats that's left.
Yes.
So, yep.
And I love the door handles. I'm going to turn this around, see if I can get that. Just this kind of an Art Deco look. Boy, oh boy. And what is your favorite memory of having this for so long?
I guess really dating my wife in it in high school.
Okay.
And like I said, then our 3 children growing up in it and their weddings involved with it.
Yes.
So that really enjoy that.
Yeah.
So, yes.
And I got to get the hood ornament. I have a Pontiac ornament. I don't know what year it is, but it's something similar to what you have here.
I can lower that down if you need to.
Yeah, why don't we? I think people would love seeing that. The Pontiac Chief. And I need to shoot your t-shirt too, because you've got the Pontiac was a tribe of Indians.
Yes.
And you've got the Pontiac on your shirt.
Yep.
And there's the Chief as well. I'm going to just slide through here real quick. Just a ornate. Yeah, that's a great hood ornament. And is it the original paint?
No, originally it was a battleship gray.
Okay.
And my dad was an in the Navy, World War II, and he was tired of looking at gray.
I bet,
So
yes.
he said, we're painting it black, and then we put a white top on it.
Okay.
And it still has a white top today.
Yeah, my dad was in World War II in the Navy.
Yep,
And
okay.
he would buy the paint at surplus, so our floor in our garage was battleship gray. If it didn't move, we painted it gray.
Yep, yeah.
And you opened the passenger door, but I'll need to ask you, can you open the driver's door? I'd love to see this part of the, just amazing. I shot a 47 Cadillac last year, I guess it was.
Okay.
And it was similar, and now I'm gonna bug you again. Can I ask you to open that again? Because I wanted to see if this has running boards. Yeah, so it's got a running board once you open the door.
Yes, and they say Pontiac on them.
Yeah, boy, oh boy. And plenty of torque on the engine?
Oh yes, yeah. It's got a 410 rear end.
Yes.
So about 50, 55 mile an hour, and I'm topped out.
Yes.
That's where I run her at.
Yeah. But you
And,
can pull a tree out of the ground.
Yes, I can. Yeah. Yep. So,
Now, the backup light, would that have been factory or was that an aftermarket, do you know?
that's optional. Optional.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's also got optional turn signals on it, switch
Okay.
on it. So,
And what is your favorite feature of the car?
I think the straight 8
Yeah.
is my best feature that I like, because
Yes.
a lot of people come up and say, I've never seen one.
Yes.
I've heard about them, but never seen one.
I don't think
So-
I've ever seen a Pontiac. I knew Buick had a straight 8,
Yes.
but I don't think I've ever seen the Pontiac straight 8.
There's quite a few cars had straight 8s. Packards had them,
Yes.
Buicks, Pontiacs.
Yeah.
Yep. So
Packard had a very, I knew that was very popular, the straight 8 with the Packard.
Yes, it was. Yep.
Anything I haven't mentioned or asked you to talk about before we wrap things up, Glade?
Well, I think that pretty well kind of takes care of everything.
Does the top still work, or is it?
Oh yes, no,
Yeah.
the top still works. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can start her up and pull the button and hit the switch, and
up
she
and-
goes up and down.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yep. So,
Well, Glade, thank you so much for allowing us to shoot the video and telling us the story behind your car.
I'm glad to assist on that. So, like I say, it's not in what I classify as show condition,
Yes.
but I have it for just people to reminisce.
Yeah.
And remember the good days.
Yes, sir.
So,
And you got curb feelers too.
yes. Yep. Got to have those with those big wide white walls. You have to have the curb feelers.
Yeah. Otherwise, they won't be white walls
They
long.
don't be white wall too long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much, Glade.
All right. Thank you, Tom, for doing this. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
And we'll be looking you up.
Yes, sir. Thank you again.
All right.